Welcome back. We are now finalizing the initial settings setup for our Benefic marketing account. And so far, we've gone through email setup, we've gone through domain setup, we've gone through how to purchase and set up your phone numbers, the business profile, calendars, and many other things here. So if you have not watched those videos, I encourage you to go back and check those out to start with. Now, today we're going to go through two more setting pieces to wrap out the settings piece before we move on to the final bits of contacts and pipeline setup. So, today, what we're going to be talking a little bit about is the integrations and the custom fields. So, we're going to come up here to custom fields first. Custom fields are essentially any of the additional information that you want to be able to track, collect, anything else within your CRM system. So there are many in here that are in by default, from pipeline to what stage each opportunity is in, contact first name, contact last name, email, all of those are custom fields. But let's say we want to capture something else. So maybe we want to capture something like their favorite holiday. To do that, we simply come to custom fields, we hit add field, and then we're going to come in, we're going to choose what we're going to use here. So you can have a multi-line thing, it can be a text box. In this case, we're going to use single line, but it could be a number, it could be an additional phone number type thing that we want to provide in, or maybe it's a drop-down selection that we would have. So there's many different types of fields that we can set up. For this example, we're going to use single line. Simply hit next, and then we're going to type in what it is. So this is going to be favorite holiday. We're going to choose which this is going to live under. We want it to live under the contact, the opportunity, or the company. Now, for this particular one, contact probably makes the most sense. So we're going to go ahead and hit contact there. Group. What group or folder in the contact level do we want this to live in? So you can see here under contact, there is a folder for just basic contact info, a folder for general info, and a folder for additional information. So this is a pretty good one to maybe put under general information. Think of those as just folders within the contact file. Placeholder, you can put a placeholder in here, or you can leave it blank, and a pre-fill value if you want to put that in. For this piece, I don't think we need either one, and we simply just hit save. So if I go back out here, let's take a look and see what that looks like. We'll go to contacts. Don't have a contact in here, so let's add in an example contact. John Doe. John's email at notreal.com. We're going to skip phone number for now. We'll go ahead and hit save. You can open up the contact record. And over here you can see, so this little accordion thing, this is basically the folder that I was just mentioning, right? So we've got the folder for contact, general info, and additional info. So if we open up general info, we scroll here, we can see all this additional information, but look at that. Here is favorite holiday. So now we can come here and put Halloween is the favorite holiday for this particular individual. And let's go ahead and hit save. So this is a way that we can use custom fields to be able to create some additional items that we want to be able to track within our contacts within the business. So that's how you use custom fields. We're going to go back in here to settings and cover one more thing, which is the integrations. So we're going to scroll down now to integrations. Integrations is going to be where you can connect some additional platforms and tools directly to the platform itself. So most of these are going to be Google Calendar, signing in with Google, Facebook, Instagram. If you're using QuickBooks, you can use things like that. Stripe account, LinkedIn, TikTok for ads. You can connect Slack to this. And as you can see, there's a number of other ones in here as well. This is a place where you are going to go through and set these things up based on what you're using in your business. You'll simply click the buttons and it will take you through the process of connecting them. It's going to require you to log into each of those platforms. It's going to authorize the connection between the two, and you'll see that populated in here once you get them in. So I do encourage you to take the time to go in and connect anything that's relevant to your business. Don't feel you have to do all of them. Use the ones that are most relevant to your business. Connect them, because the more connections you have, the more powerful this platform becomes for you and your team. So this has been custom fields and integrations.